Hi there, a great morning to you. I am applying for Maid Sailor Scholarship. So, what makes education the key to a brighter future? Education is the most valuable tool mankind has ever got. What we are today is not because of what we did yesterday, but because of education. Education is not just based on what you learn at school, but what remains with you until the day you hit the world. With education comes a change that could change the way people perceive things. A century ago, the people perceived the world was flat, and they were actually afraid to do anything adventurous. Due to this, they were confined and did not wish of traveling anywhere, as they were afraid of falling off the world. But came along a person who changed the way people perceived, believing the world was not at all flat, not at all a cube, but actually much more of a sphere. And that is the power of education. And that is the mind of education. That is why the need of the hour is education, as it is required by everyone in the society, as it helps anyone to follow their passion, their dreams, and also help them to become one of a kind. This, help, this helps the people for a better cause. This empowers the people for a better cause. This makes them better and much more equipped to handle the world. And with education, can there be a change? And with the change, can there be development? And only with development can the world evolve. And this can only come true if the people were to be empowered with education. And that is my aim, to create a better world empowering each and everyone equal with education. I wish to shape this society not with money but with education, free to those who want. So far, I've been able to do my best by joining an NGO, which is Children's Movement for Civic Awareness (CMC), which was available at my school, and it was helped me a lot by empowering me to follow my wish of helping the fellow children in need by making them aware of the need of education and also by helping them fulfill their needs. Due to this, I got a highly sense of satisfaction, which made me much more enthusiastic of participating in public programs. This made me to join another program, which was the Bharat Scouts and Guides, which helped me in pursuing my aim, which was to be able to render my best of my service to the unhelped or unequipped society, or that is the unequipped children of my society. Due to this, I was able to help them develop their education, develop their passion for life, and make them much more aware of the need of education. And I wish to continue this until more people are aware of the need of education. And until then, I will continue my ambition of empowering the society for a noble cause. Thanks for watching.